Hi everyone and welcome back. Today let's see how to create delivery packages in Odoo 14. Depending upon the volume or weight of your products, in Odoo it is possible to deliver your products in different packages. So first you need to activate packages feature in inventory application. So in inventory module, configuration settings, there are packages and packagings also. So we have to enable packages in order to see delivery packages, and after that save it. Then in configuration you will be able to see option that is delivery packages. Open it and you can see different delivery packages and the carriers can be seen. Most of them are seen because providers are enabled in settings. So you can see some shipping connectors here. So if you enable them, then only you will be able to see these delivery providers. And now let's create a new delivery package. Suppose I'm creating a bag 2 kilogram, and let's add a carrier for this. If you want to add carrier, you can add it. Then you can add a height for your delivery package. Length can be set. Now I am creating a delivery package for 2 kg. So maximum weight of the delivery package 2 kg. Then barcode and product code, package code can be given. After that, you can save this. So delivery package is created. Then we have packages under products. If you open it, you can see some packages. So let's open one package and add our delivery package inside it. You can select bag of 2 kg. Okay. Then save it. Now let's create a sale order. So let's create the quotation and add some products. After that, confirm the quotation. And inside delivery, you can see those products from stock. So let's edit this quotation and add a destination package for them. Okay, I'm adding pack 1 that we have just created and save it. So you can see a packages option here. So this is our package. You can see the package here, and then validate it. So when you validate it, after that you can see the products are delivered. So delivery is validated. Once the delivery order is validated, you can retrieve which products have been included in the package. So when you open packages and when you open this, you can see aluminum box and large cabinet added to this package, which has a delivery package bag 2 kg. So this is how we make use of delivery package and create and deliver products in Odoo 14. And we have also done a video on 3 packages in Odoo 14. That is That is 3 types of packages are there handled in Odoo 14. So we have done a video on that. And we have also done a video on different types of packages in Odoo 14. So there are 3 types of packages. In 3 ways we can create packages for products. So please check the link above to know more about it. So that's all about delivery package in Odoo 14, and thanks for watching. If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com.